Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of December, it is the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. I will put a link in the description box down below that takes you to the video, talks about how to enter it. I have a ton of other giveaways too. I'm giving away the Tati Beauty Palette. I have giveaways for our Lip Monthly, giveaways for 200th video that we uploaded. I have a Neiman Marcus giveaway going on. All sorts of stuff. All the information will be in the description box down below. The number one rule for all of my giveaways is that you must be a subscriber to my channel, and I do check you guys. It's a good group here. We have fun, and come on and join if you haven't already. If you've already subscribed, I do thank you so much. So today we are talking BOXYCHARM, specifically BOXYLUXE. So BOXYLUXE is the quarterly box that BOXYCHARM puts out. It's sent out every season. So this is the winter box. It is $50 for each season. So let's dive in and see what we got. I do have a code for BOXYCHARM, and it just kind of helps you out, and it kind of helps me out a little bit as well too. So if you'd like to use it, I do appreciate it. Let's dive in and see what's in here. So what are your guys' plans for the Christmas, New Year's, the holidays? Let me know. I want to know what you guys are doing. Let me know that in the description box down below. So there is a card in here that talks about the products. I do have version number 19 from Too Faced. It's the Melted Matte Lipstick. I got it in the shade Faking It. Does retail for $21. It's a long-wearing, innovative, ultra-matte lipstick with the staying powder of a stain and the intense color of a liquid lipstick. I love lip stains, so I am excited about that. I think lip stains are my favorite lip product to wear. This is really pretty. I think it's going to be too light for me, and so I'm going to be putting this in an upcoming giveaway. I've already started setting stuff aside for when we hit 700 subscribers, so help us get there. The next product that I have is from Kat Von D. Kat Von D is cruelty free, so was Too Faced. This is their Dagger Tattoo Liner. These retail for $20, and it's experience the effortless wing liner look with an innovative eyeliner specifically engineered for easy application for any eye shape, making the Dagger Tattoo Liner ideal for all makeup junkies. I have never, and this is just being straight up, I've never had really good luck with the Kat Von D's. I know some of you have, and so I think I'll be passing this one along. By Ciate London, they have a mascara, you guys, that their Wonder Wand mascara, hands down, is my favorite mascara I've ever tried. Love, love, love it. This is the Marble Light Illuminating Blusher. It's add a radiant flush of color to your complexion with Marbled Light Illuminating Blush. Formulated without talc, this lightweight, buildable formula has a blend matte of pigments and a finely milled illuminating particles. Retails for $28. Everything in here is full size in the BOXYCHARM boxes. It's really pretty packaging. There's a mirror on this side. Does anybody else, does this remind them kind of, maybe it's the marble effect to it, but of the Hourglass blushes, which I always want to try and haven't. Kind of very powdery. I was expecting it to feel a little bit creamier, but that's what that kind of looks like. And it kind of looks like that on the hand. I think that's really pretty. I think it would go really well for my skin tone. I really like this one. From Rituals is the Ritual of Sakura Shower Gel. Give your skin the gift of a new beginning with the foaming shower gel from the Ritual of Sakura, featuring the renewed scent of cherry blossom and organic rice milk. Using a unique technology to transform the gel into silky, soft, cleansing foam, lather up and luxuriate in the rich and fragrant foamy soap. Take a moment to slow down and renew your energy. This does retail for $9.50. Always good to try out a new shower gel. From Elemis, I've tried a couple of their things before. Elemis is cruelty free. This is their Pro-Collagen Rose Facial Oil. It retails for $79 for face oil. This is a luxurious and lightweight facial oil infused with precious trio of rose extracts to help smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the skin with a luminous glow. Here's what this looks like. It's a really pretty bottle. It is 15 milliliters or 0.5 fluid ounces. It has a very, very slight rose scent, but nothing big at all. And it goes on kind of clear. It feels really nice on the skin. I have really liked all the Elemis products that I've tried in the past, so I have high hopes for this one. From QMS is a lip line corrector. It's formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. Lip line corrector targets the fine lines and wrinkles. This highly performance lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. I know that this is really good for kind of the area between your lip and your nose, where you can get some fine lines right through here. That's what this is really good for. This retails for $200 for a lip line? Wow. Let me know if you guys have used this before and if it's really worth the $200. Let me know that in the comments down below. From IGK they are cruelty free. This is their first class charcoal detox dry shampoo. It's a powerful dry shampoo that cleanses the oiliest of hair and scalp with an oil erasing color illuminating charcoal powder, allowing you to go even longer between washes. Retails for $27. I have heard amazing things about this. Little spritz here. It smells really good too, so I think I'm gonna really like this one. From Fresh is their Soy Face Cleanser. The gel cleanser for all skin types has a cult following for the way it removes makeup, even mascara, without drying for soft, subtle skin. It's made with amino acid rich soy proteins, calming cucumber extract, and balancing rose water. Since for sensitive skin, it's also soothes and tones. Retail of this is $48. This is 150 milliliters or 5 fluid ounces. Here's what the packaging looks like. I am not big on cucumber scent, so I am going to be putting this one in one of the giveaways as well. Lastly, from Storybook Cosmetics is the Fairy Tales Little Briar palette. I know Storybook is cruelty free. This retails for $55. The Storybook Cosmetics Little Briar Rose Eyeshadow Storybook Palette is a magical palette featuring a custom hardcover storybook with a dozen highly pigmented matte, metallic, and pearl shadows. This cruelty-free, long-wearing, buttery smooth shadow formula can be used wet or dry. Mix and match to concoct your favorite spellbinding look. Has a big mirror on this side. Ooh, these shadows are super, super pretty. Right up my alley. I really, really like those shadows. I can't wait to dive in and start using this. So if I add everything up in this box, it comes to $485. for your $50 box. Pretty good return of investment if you are going to use $50 worth of product. This alone was $55. I'll use this. This was $27. The Elemis, I know this was like $70. I don't know what to think of this guy. The lip corrector for $200. If it works, great. But I mean, I have no idea. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me. When you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video will be posted. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button twice and that'll turn on your notifications for you. I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day and I will see you soon. Bye.